Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now to leave guided access. First, wake the iPad and keep your passcode or biometrics ready because you will unlock a restricted screen. If your model has a home button, you will use that. Newer iPads use the side button. Once done, position the iPad so you can triple-click quickly and steadily. This initial setup prevents fumbling and gives you the only path out of accessibility mode without rebooting or data loss. You now perform the core action. Triple-click the home or side button in a steady rhythm. Don't hold it down, tap it 3 times. When the guided access menu appears, use your passcode or face/touch ID to authenticate. This is the only authorized method to change the session. After authentication, look for and tap End or Exit at the top left. Make sure to wait for the confirmation. Tapping too fast can leave the device locked in the same mode. You should now be back to normal navigation. Verify by opening an app or returning to the home screen. If the triple click did nothing, go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access, and confirm the accessibility shortcut is set to Guided Access. Adjust if needed. If the passcode or biometrics are rejected repeatedly, restart the iPad and try again, because a reboot can clear temporary glitches. One key tip: don't attempt erase or restore before trying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.